Few more stocks though. V-Mart, that's buzzing in trade on the back of a good Q4 update. In our special segment, Inside Edge, Vinnii focuses on the stock. Vinnii?
Yes, so we are keeping an eye out on V-Mart Retail today, and Q4 business update, when you talk about it, a good update that's come in, right? Last quarter also they managed to see that recovery and growth coming in, and this time that momentum has continued. Revenue growth this time in Q4 is what they're seeing is 17%. SSSG growth, which is important, that is coming at 8% for Q4, and for the full year that's coming at 11%. So that double-digit growth which they're given a guidance of in terms of SSSG, that is also something that they have maintained. 53 stores is what they've added in FY25, that given the target between 50 to 60. So yes, in line with the estimate of what they had spoken about. And revenue per square feet, this is from Motilal Oswal, what we're picking up, that has seen an improvement as well. This time it's 5.4% increase versus last year at 1,825 rupees. Management is quite bullish in terms of the commentary that's coming. Why? Because they're saying that now rural has started seeing a recovery. Mass consumption, that has started seeing an uptick as well versus Q3 and the last year is what we were talking about. Seeing improvement in terms of demand trends, UP, Bihar, that's the side tier 2, tier 3 cities where they're seeing an improvement. So that is something that has improved. Volume growth has seen an improvement as well. And they're expecting next year in FY26 around 60 to 65 store additions. Better consumption trends that will they expect to see a pickup in terms of rural areas, and double-digit growth in terms of revenue in FY26 is what they're talking about. Today, the stock is up 5%, but let's also listen in to what the management had to say furthermore in terms of the target for FY26.
Seeing the mass consumption and the rural consumption inching up a little more, becoming a little better than the last year. And that also has driven some kind of consumption, especially in markets of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, where we were struggling fundamentally. But I think, yes, volume growth is something which is very, enlightenment. We're really getting good news about that volume growth. And this is also being led by fashion, because there's a lot of fashion change which is coming to the market. We expect some more consumption coming in especially from the tier 3 and the rural areas. That is where we believe if those consumptions are back and monsoons remains good this year as well, we would definitely clock once again, almost a double-digit growth. That is what we should expect from our team, and that is what we are all getting prepared for.
That was Inside Edge on V-Mart Retail. The stock doing very well for itself, 6% higher now on the stock, near the highest point of the day.